Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 24, 2026 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong April 24, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mababasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, April 24, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mababasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 24, 2026, Friday. Here are the tonnage jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, April 24, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 24, 2026, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.